talked about absorbing that down so that you're ready for the next rock step. And I think that was the thing that all of you kind of need to work on the most.
And then we did some jams, but faster, because oftentimes they do happen to faster music. So we had like a swing out phrase and then a phrase with Charleston that you could kind of like puzzle piece and add your flexible moves. Yeah.
You did great. It was a lot of fun. And hopefully we'll see you for choreography.